Hey darling, let's grow a year's worth of onions, part 2. Come on. You want your onions juicy, round, and big? You want to start those bad boys in the fall. Planting this time of year, we have a ton of different options. We can plant by seed, bulbs, or starts. If you wait till spring to plant by seed or bulb, your chances of actually getting a nice globe are slim to none. That's because these require a much longer growing season. You can wait till spring and you'll still get a nice globe with these. However, fall still remains the best time for all three to put in the ground for the biggest one possible. We're going to plant all of these the same exact way, 3 inches apart, 3 inches deep. I find that starting from the middle and working yourself out in each direction works best. In order to reach your goal of 500 onions, you need 20 rows of 25. Bulbs need to be planted facing up. Do the same thing with the seeds. The only difference is we're going to put 2 down in each spot. Important to note that onions growth, whether or not it's in the bulb or in the green, depends on the daylight hours and nighttime hours. During the summer months when the daylight hours are at their longest, the green is what's going to be growing the most. During the winter time when daylight hours are at their lowest, the actual bulb is going to be doing most of the growth. Now that everything's in the ground, we're going to cover it with straw and anticipate some juicy onions this summer. Eat what you grow.